Hello. 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 Hello.
Hello. Today I wanted to give you 4 reasons why it's really important for us to start our early education at Haileybury Almaty in our reception classes.
Number 1.
So the first reason why it's important to come to the reception classes at Haileybury Almaty is for children's academic success. So we found through a recent study that 70% of the children who started with us in our Haileybury reception classes were in year 1 at age-related expectations by the time they reached the end of year 1. As a comparison to the rest of the children who were entering year 1 and further up our school, drastically more successful in terms of their academic output and potential.
Number 2.
The second reason is so that we can continue to develop children's soft skills and independence. So although academic performance is very, very important to us, also giving children that level of independence and quality of education holistically is also very important.
Number 3.
The third reason is to develop children's social and emotional skills. So we want children in our school to develop lifelong friendships and really be happy and successful at our school.
Number 4.
The fourth reason is due to the quality of educators that we have here at Haileybury Almaty. All of our reception staff are incredible, hard-working professionals, and they do their absolute best to get each and every one of our children to be successful and happy at the school, and they bring everything together in such a wonderful environment. So in summary, I hope this video has really inspired you to send your child to Haileybury Almaty, and in particular to enter them into our reception cohorts and classes. It's very important that children have the ability to have access to early education so that they can be successful throughout the school. Goodbye.
Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye. Goodbye.